Next is actinoids. That means in the F block elements there is another set of 14 elements are there. Below the lanthanoids there is another set of elements called actinoids. Therefore let us see actinium. That means atomic number 89. When you do the electronic configuration just like lanthanum, the electronic configuration is 7s2 5f1 and there is no 6d electron. Therefore there is a change starting from here. The 7s is n and n minus 1 we are going to put 1 electron in n minus 1d, that is 7 minus 1, that is 6. In 5f there is no electron at all. We are taking that 5f1 electron to 6d1 and 6d1 1 electron 5f0. Therefore according to half-wave principle you are getting the electronic configuration like this, 5f1. That is not correct. You have to make a change, make the f is 0 and take that electron and put it in 6d, which is not mentioned in the electronic configuration of half-wave principle. 6d comes after 5f1, therefore no chance of putting any electron in 6d. Therefore you change, make the electronic configuration 5f0 and 6d1. Since the electron enters in the d subshell, this element is kept in along with the d block element. That is the first element. Even though we say actinides and lanthanoids, the lanthanum and actinium is not present along with the F block element. This is along with the D block element because 6D1 and F is 0. Therefore, we cannot put this element along with the F block element. Therefore, this point make it very clear why actinium is not placed along with the actinoids and why lanthanum is not placed along with the lanthanides. The reason is that they don't have an F subshell electron. They are having F0. Then an F0, how can we keep it along with the F block element? This is the main reason. Therefore, please make a differences in the electronic configuration of these 14 elements do by yourself. Starting from F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12, F13, F14. In short, 5F1 to 5F14, starting from thorium to lawrencium, are all called F block elements. Total 28 elements, starting from lanthanum, not including lanthanum, actinium, not including actinium. Other 28 elements makes the F block elements. Now, let us see a summary of these actinoids. Actinium 89 can be written like this. That is 7s2, 6d1 for 5f0. That is why it is placed along with the D block element. Now, from thorium 92, lawrencium 103, 14 elements known as F block elements. 6D configuration is present, 6D1 configuration is present in all these elements. Therefore, after putting one element in one electron in 6D, only put the next one in F block, F subshells. That you should remember. All are possessing 6D1, 6D1. These are the reason why it is called inner transition elements. Inner transition elements are represented by the general formula n-2 F1 to 14. That is this 1 to 14. Now n-1 D 0 to 1. You don't consider 0, you put 1. ns2 means this 7s2. This is ns2. all this electronic configuration of the D and F block elements. You have to draw in your notebook with the corrections. Therefore, do it separately like this so that it is easy to understand from 1 to 14 and how that is 6D is occupied by the electron.